welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a pack with me. I put a poll up on my Instagram last night asking me what you would like to see. I put a pack with me for one night away in Norfolk and a party supplies haul. I've just filmed my party supplies haul, so if you'd like to go and check that out, I'll leave it linked down below. And for today's video it's going to be the pack with me because I go away to Norfolk tomorrow for one night. It's my sister's birthday weekend, so I'm going away to basically celebrate her 13th birthday. She's officially a teenager on Sunday. Start this by writing a list of things that I need to take because a lot of things are going to be different on this list. I'm going to be taking like no toiletries and things like that, but there are some things that I do still need to remember. So we're going to start by writing a list and then we will get into the main packing. I do just want to say before I start, if you like this type of videos, then please do remember to give me a like and subscribe whilst you're down there because it really helps me out, as well as click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos like this. And yeah, also check out my social medias as there'll be a lot of content coming your way soon, as well as content over on my Instagram because I will obviously be very active over the weekend on my Instagram. So if you want to see what I'm getting up to in Norfolk, then definitely check my Instagram out, as well as my Snapchat because I am active on both of them. Before I do write the list, I do just want to show you the suitcase that I'm taking. Now usually for a one night stay I wouldn't take a suitcase, but because I have to hide party decorations from my sister and various other things, I thought that I would just take a suitcase because it's a lot easier for me, instead of taking 110,000 bags with me. So this suitcase is actually from Poundland. It is the Constellation, I don't know, that brand. I bought these last year before I went to Barcelona. I do actually have the bigger version of this and I love them as a pair, but obviously for this trip I'm taking the smaller one. This I think was around £40, but it is actually the first two suitcases that I have bought branded. The other ones I just got from Primark, and hopefully I'm thinking that these will last me quite a while. So this is the suitcase that I'm going to be taking, and now let's get into writing the list. So this is everything that I'm going to be taking. I've kind of put it into piles, so I'm going to start over here and show you so I'm taking the balloon in this bag and I'm just going to shove it in the car because I don't really want to take it out of that bag because I'm just be flying everywhere. I'm then going to be taking, not these wipes because I'm running out, but some Nivea wipes, my hairbrush, which is from Primark, my makeup bag, and then all the party decorations that I showed you in my previous video. If you want to go and see what is in this pile, then check out my last video. My balloon pump, and then shoe wise, I'm taking 3 pairs of shoes and that's it because I'm not going to need any more than that. So I'm taking these sandals, really old. These are from Primark, and these go with literally every single one of my outfits apart from one, so I just thought I would use them. And then these are for if I go to the beach. I wear them to the beach. I know I'm going to be going for one night, but if I go to the beach, these are going to come in handy. Also, if I don't wear those, I can wear these. Then this is, I'm also going to be taking my Vans, which I didn't mention because they're on my feet. But yeah, this is the evening outfit. This is a play suit from Shine. If you watch my Shine video, you will see this in there. This is just a leopard print BB play suit. This is going to be for the evening because I'm pretty sure tomorrow that we're all going out for an evening meal for our birthdays. And then these are the outfits I'm taking. So obviously I'm going for one night and 1.5 days basically, but I thought I would take 3 items of clothes because if you know me, I'm a very fussy clother when it comes to weather. So I've got 2 play suits here which are both from Shine, and then a jumpsuit from Shine. Now this I plan to wear going there, but if that doesn't work then I've still got 1 piece of clothing left, if that makes sense. And then these two are just to switch up on whatever day I want. I don't know if I'm going to be wearing them. So yeah, I just thought I'd take 3 just to be on the safe side. Then my pyjamas, I'm just going to wear the same pyjamas. And then my underwear, which is just a bra. And 3 pairs of knickers. Then moving on to like toiletries and things, I'm going to be taking my deodorant, obviously, so I don't smell. This is the Soft and Gentle Exotic Bouquet, Orchid and Passion Flower. And then also going to be taking a pack of antiviral handy wipes. This kills coronavirus, as it says on the packet. So I thought I'd take these because I don't know what it's going to be like up there. I'm also taking hand sanitizer as well. And then in this little bag, which I actually got in my gift swap, again, if you haven't watched it, go and check it out. In here, I have a pack of wipes, some eyelashes, which I'm going to ask my sister to put on me, a shimmer thing from Primark. I've had this literally a year and only worn it twice. And then at the bottom of that bag is my heat protection spray, that's it. And then right at the bottom I have some safety pins to wear with that play suit because it's a bit booby, so I need to safety pin it up. So that is everything. So now, enjoy a cute montage of me packing it. So I've managed to pack everything in here. It's everything that I'm going to need for the daytime, plus my makeup and everything. And then in this section I just have my MacBook because I might edit, and then my Polaroid camera is in here somewhere around here, and then a face mask because we need that in the shop, and then everything else is packed in there with the decorations. That's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed.